viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, we have already add Mana or Decentraland token in our Metamask wallet, but today we are going to connect our Metamask wallet with Decentraland platform. So how can you connect? This is so simple and easy. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button because in this video I'm giving to complete information step by step. And if you want to get same information in Urdu language, then you can subscribe my Urdu channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. We have already 475 videos on this channel, so just simple visit and subscribe, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So viewers, first of all I'm going to log in or open CoinMarketCap. Then we will select the network of which is port of Decentraland. Now you can see here CoinMarketCap is open in front of me. This time Bitcoin price is almost $41,000 plus, and if we are going to check the rank of Decentraland, because we want to confirm which network is this time supporting, because we are going to connect over Metamask wallet with Decentraland platform. So I'm searching top 100. Let's maybe in shown, but I think I missed. Yes, you can see here on 31 number Decentraland Mana. This price is $2.45, and you can see here all cryptocurrency is green in 24 hours because Bitcoin is up. And if I click on Decentraland, then you can see here the new page open in front of me. We have already discussed about price graph and all-time high, all-time low in our last videos, but today we are just connect Decentraland platform with Metamask. So you can see here the network is Ethereum. So now I'm going to first of all log in my Metamask wallet and select the Ethereum network. I've entered my password, click on unlock, and then we will select the network. You can see here in last video I have created information our text network mainnet, how can we add. So now we are going to select the Ethereum mainnet. Ethereum mainnet is selected. Now we are going to visit the decentralized.org. Decentralized.org opening in front of me. Create, explore and trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its user. And the Web3 basically create test in limit of your imagination, the virtual destination for digital assets. Now you can see here this button is shown, get started. When you click on it, then there will be two options will be shown in front of you. The first is playing using your wallet, playing as a guest. It's depend on you. So we have discussed about Metamask, so that I have just click on Metamask option. You can also use guest option. You can see here there is option available signing. You are signing with Metamask, so going to click on sign in. Now my wallet is going to connect with this Decentraland, and then the platform will be open in front of me, the virtual platform, and then we can easily play. So it's maybe take some time. for properly connected and access my Metamask wallet. Still waiting. Because this network is verifying properly about my wallet address and also information. Still waiting. Now as you can see here, finally we have connected our Metamask wallet with Decentraland platform, and you can also see here we are downloading the latest version of Decentraland. You will be able up to running in a few seconds. So the new latest version is going to download, and Mana is decentral virtual currency. Use the Byland and other premium atoms. Vote on the key form. Now you can see here loading 78%, downloading image, 3D models and sound. All tools are going to download, and after that this platform will be open in front of me, and then we can easily play. So we will also wait for complete the loading, and this time 95% done, 98% done, 99% done, and now almost done. You can see here, welcome to the Genius Plaza Farooq. I have already make account. You can just simple click on got it, and then your virtual image will be shown in front of you, and you can move upward, downward. You can see here with your mouse, and you can chat with other person which is shown in front of you, and you can also chat on this platform. But if you by yourself search this platform, and you can explore more and unique information from this platform. I'm not using this time, but I just giving to information about how can we connect our Metamask wallet with Metamask. So our Metamask wallet with Decentraland, and you can see here there is lot of graphics available here and tools you can use. So after use this wallet, you just simple go to your profile area, and you can log out your account. Okay viewers, so I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Metamask wallet with Decentraland platform. This is so simple and easy. In this video I gave you complete information. So if you face any problem regarding this, so you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. You can also comments below this video. I hope I will read your comments, and I will read your email, then I will reply you. So please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button. And if you get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my Urdu YouTube channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin. And if you click on all coin, you can see here I have already make videos about many cryptocurrency wallets. You just simple go to this website and get the information. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.